Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leora, if you're new here.
Actually, I almost did too.
This is Andrea. Also part of the vlog. So we have an exam today. It is for intro to dental patient, so it should be straightforward hopefully. We have some EBD questions. They're evidence-based dentistry questions, is that right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that'll probably be the hardest part of the exam. How do you feel about the exam? I don't like research, so this will be great. Yeah, I agree. The questions that we've had on quizzes so far have been kind of tricky. Like, I have not gotten 100. So we'll see how this goes. Luckily, this class is just pass-fail, and our professor considers 75 or higher pass, so.
Shooting for an A though.
Yeah, she's shooting for an A. I'm shooting for that 75. I could miss 11 questions. Good morning.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How do we feel for this exam?
Which one?
IDP, pass fail, pass fail,
Pass
pass
it,
fail.
exactly, that's all that matters. Pass it.
Yes. We're at a rave. Connie Johnson, say hi. Yes. How do you feel? How do you feel for the exam?
Oh, feeling good.
Not too worried.
This guy shouldn't be worried. He's a pro.
How do we feel about pass fail?
2 thumbs up because I just started studying an hour ago.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I had a clinic assistant.
We're not supposed to do those during class time.
We had class this morning.
This is a great example of a dental student who doesn't know what's going on. Okay, so I finished my IDP exam. It wasn't bad. I can miss up to 11 and still get a 75, and that's good. It's passing grade, so all is well. Now I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna come back and study because I have 2 more exams this week. OHP, which is oral health promotion, and then tissue injury and host defense exam on Thursday. So a lot of studying to do. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. Just did some cardio and core, if you care. So now I'm just gonna be studying the rest of the night. What is the Mr. Rascal up to? He had a bath today, so he is nice and fluffy, and he wants to play. What's new? What are you doing? Come here. Ready? Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Oh my gosh, this is too funny.
I'm not very tall, so I thought you probably can't see me.
This will just be footage, no commentary.
PPE, friends. Most important.
PPE?
Yeah. It's like something protective.
Welcome to Operative. That poor patient doesn't even have a choice to get worked on by Leora.
I can't hear you, I hope.
That's good. Okay. If you look at her prep she did, atrocious. It's the before, but like...
This is like one of my worst preps.
Yeah,
Don't judge me for this.
Oh my lord. Looks like a dinosaur. Alright, I don't think I got a good shot of it, but just know that it's bad. Really bad.
I'm using a dental dam that I pressed for 3, so this is why I'm a little backwards.
All I'm hearing are excuses.
Hey!
Just kidding. Look at you go, you're actually really fast now. Just imagine 4 years from now, she'd be doing this on you.
Go away.
Oh my.
Go away!
Do you see this, guys? You asked me to record for you.
Go
This is what we need. The real life struggle, the everyday struggle of a dental student. Don't worry, in 4 years she'll be a lot better. We'll make sure of that. We can't all be good at dental dams. Watching you do this is making me hungry. Beryl, Dr. Patel, do you have any, okay. Whoa, hips don't lie. He's been watching the Super Bowl highlights. Leora, give us the lowdown.
Alright, so we just learned amalgam not too long ago, and basically it's in this container, so once I press this down, my timer starts, and I have, what is it, like 10 minutes to work with it or so, and then it's set. So I have to press it, and then it shakes it up in the little condenser thing. What is that called?
The condenser shaker.
We'll figure it out.
The amalgam shaker.
Insert that title here. And then I'm going to have the amalgam in this. I'm going to put it in here, and then from there I'm going to transfer it into the mouth and condense it in the mouth. About 8 pounds of pressure. And try and do good on my first time. Don't roast me, please. This is my first time. That includes you, Tim.
There's the shaker.
Okay.
You're doing
Did I do
it
that right?
Yeah, you did
Is
it
it
right.
pressed all the way in?
No, you didn't.
Oh, there we go.
Now we go.
Okay.
She's been hitting the
And
gym,
then
obviously.
This is 9 seconds.
She pressed the star button. Is doing the old shake and bake. Shaky, shaky. The amalgam shaker. And now it's done.
Okay, so here it is. Comes out the bottom. Little ball there, silver ball. I'm gonna use my condenser or whatever amalgam. This is
Yes.
something amalgam.
The amalgam putter on her. Clutch time.
Okay, we're good. We work fast at Tufts. Okay. So
Oh, that was a good pack.
it's really grainy to work with when it's first put in, and as it starts to dry out, it gets harder to work with and it's not as flaky. That's when you know that it's about to set. Okay,
All right.
so I don't feel any flash here or here. I can tell. I always have a problem with this area. There's like not enough amalgam that went with it. It's not smooth transition. So yeah, this is my problem area. Everything else feels good.
Okay, Lyra, let's share what you got on the IDP exam.
Our grade just came out, and this is like the only thing I ever get an A on.
She's gonna be a great clinician.
I know all the ethical things. I'm your girl. Someone is missing, and it is 9:35.
Andy's not here, so
After he did that elaborate extra contract that he made,
signed it.
George and did you sign it?
I did.
Yeah, you both signed it. So you're witnesses.
He owes you boba.
How do you feel?
Disappointed.
You picked the winner. You knew I was gonna be in it.
This is what I get for supporting you, Andy. Never again.
Look at all this natural light. It's a sunny day in Boston today. So I need to study for my oral health promotion exam. It's at 1. It's about 11 o'clock right now, so I have a few hours to study for that. I wish this class was pass-fail because it would make things a lot easier. Okay, so my oral health promotion exam today is 50 questions. I usually like to strive for a B or higher, so I can miss like, 10 questions and get a B, so something to keep in mind as I'm taking the exam today. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I do questions every time we have exams, so I'll show examples right here. Questions are for everyone if you are in the dental field or not. It's just kind of cool to see if you know something or if you want to learn something new. So we're almost at the end of this stressful week. Tomorrow is the last exam. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm gonna be working on amalgam after the exam now, and hopefully I can do a way better one than I did yesterday. I'll be in SimClin for operative because my half of the alphabet is up there for that session, and then I also signed up for SimClin after that, so it's gonna be a long day in SimClin. And then freedom! I'm gonna be going to New York this weekend. I'm excited. It's a long weekend. We have class on Friday, but I'm only missing one lecture, and I'll just look at it when I'm in New York. Not a big deal. And then we have Monday off, so it's gonna be a short week next week. Also very chill. Excited for that. Sam is my seat buddy today. Doing some last minute cramming. You feel ready? There, you're in class right now. Where's my boba?
I'll get it later.
You're blushing.
I'm very unhappy and embarrassed.
It's okay. This is my study schedule. I did this morning. It wasn't so bad. Could be an A, could be a B. We will see. And the weekend, I'm chillin'. This was harder than the first one. Do you agree? Like my first questions,
The first one, the average was 90.
I know, if the average is a 90 on this one, I'm gonna like
No.
be so upset. February 13th, Galentine's Day. Favorite gals.
You are my...
This is my favorite gal right here.
What was the thing?
Hello, Tim. You have PPE. We're missing a rubber dam. Are you drilling out number 19? What are you doing?
Yeah, pop down 19 real quick.
I'm gonna judge you right now. Let's see it.
It's rough, but it's cooking dirty.
Okay. I can't really see it, so I think it looks fine.
Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. Alrighty.
This is the time. This is what we're working with. Now we're sculpting.
Better than mine. I think mine's in my pocket. Want to see how bad? I think I showed you. I did show you. It's in my pocket.
What do we think? A lot better?
A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah.
For sure.
Boom!
Boom. Professional dentist.
What'd you do?
Look, it's broken.
What the heck? What did you do?
It's okay.
I don't even know how to fix that.
I'm gonna MacGyver it.
Okay.
Oh, I fixed it.
This is horrible. It looks horrible?
Yes.
We love to hear that when we're doing amalgam. Yes.
My first one.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
Got some tunes. No one is here. Look at this. It's empty. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like the video, if you like Tim.
Subscribe.
Alright, see you in the next one.